Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see how to use TLauncher. TLauncher is a basically emulator, you can say, for Minecraft, where you can play free Minecraft. For that, first open your Google and search for TLauncher. First link you will get here, tlauncher.org. Click that and create your account here and hit download. You can select which version you want to select. Once you're downloaded, how you use normal other apps, just install like that. Then you get one icon like this. Double click on that, and before installing Minecraft or some other games, you should install Java. Okay, Java JDK, that you can get in oracle.com here, and go for LTS. Latest one is 11. After that, these are not LTS. Go for the LTS, long term support. Install that, make sure to install that. Then open here. From right here, you have to create your account, configure account. You have to add your username and all, username, password, and save account. It will verify with the website. Then you can, once you verify with that, you can select a version which you want to upload, like download. You can go for the older version also. Everything is available right here. After that, hit refresh once and enter the game. That's it. Here you can see game is opening. Mojang Studio. It's the official game. Official in the sense modded, so that you don't have to pay for this. There will be some bugs sometimes, like eventually they might fix. You can see single player, multiplayer. Right here you can see the game, Java edition. You get all the, like, this is 1.17, right? In top corner you can see 1.17.1. After this many patches have came, but I didn't install them. The game, and you can see here, this is the latest one. Like, I am in here, I didn't install this. That's it. Thank you for watching.